Hello everyone, my name is Ali Mustafa and I work as a senior developer advocate here at Pieces. Welcome back. If you have been following the conversations around building AI agents with OS level memory, you're going to absolutely love what I'm about to show you. We just released Pieces version 5.0.3 and it's a massive leap forward on how AI understands your workflow, and we are moving beyond just screen context and text. Today, we are introducing audio memory, a radically updated MCP server for your AI agents, and a whole new level of customization for your daily summaries. Let's dive in. First up is the feature I am most excited about, LTM audio. You can now capture both your microphone input and system audio directly into your long-term memory. Think about those heavy pair programming sessions, client calls, or long Zoom meetings. Instead of losing that context, Pieces processes the audio locally, extracts the meaningful parts, and weaves it into your memory graph. To turn this on, just head over to Pieces OS, and inside that you will see enable LTM audio. You can go ahead and accept and enable the audio. Or on the profile, you can come here and you can click on LTM audio and accept it. You'll have to enable the system audio capture permission, which you can directly go into system settings and enable that. So right here you can select on the plus and add Pieces OS right there, and then once you reopen it, you will have all the permissions added. So yeah, you will have to restart Pieces OS and then it will take effect the permission which we just enabled. You can see the LTM audio is now enabled. So with text, it will also record the audio and capture the context around that. Remember, LTM audio is a preview only feature. We absolutely want your feedback on everything you do with it. So definitely let us know how you feel about LTM audio. Speaking of richer context, let's talk about agents. If you use Cursor, Claude Code, or Goose, the Pieces MCP server just got an upgrade. We have exposed significantly more tools to MCP compatible clients. This means your external AI agents now have much deeper access to your Pieces long-term memory. You can literally ask your Cursor to recall what you have discussed in that meeting earlier today, or reference the code changes I made last week or earlier today, and it will pull that temporal data right out of Pieces. It's a game changer for agentic workflows. If you haven't connected your Pieces MCP server to an ID yet, go check out the docs right after this video. As you can see right here, if you go to Pieces MCP server, you can reconnect it and it will enable all the 39 tools. You can hover over individual tools and that will show you what these individual tools do. You can also go to the Pieces OS, and below that in MCP, you can find your connection URL right here. Or you can click on how to integrate and it will give you the documentation for integrating it with all major tools. So that's about MCP. Now let's have a look at workflow automation. We have completely upgraded how custom summaries work. Now you have granular level of control over exactly what goes into a summary. You can scope it by specific time ranges, specific websites, projects, or even single applications. And even better, once you dial in the perfect parameters for, let's say, a weekly project or recap or a specific client report, you don't have to rebuild it. Now you can save your own custom templates, give it a name, pick an icon, and it will stay right beside your morning brief or daily recap for one-click generation. Let me show you how. Go to Discover, go to Individual Custom Summary, and right here you will find the time period. You can select the time period you wish for. You can select individual app signals, or you can go to and select individual apps. And then you can add your custom prompt, or you can select from a predetermined prompt right here. Click on Save as Template, name it Claude 24 hours summary. Select a color, select an icon, and save the template. Now you can hit generate and it will basically show up as a custom summary right onto your homepage. As you can see, I've created one for Cursor as well, and you can create as many as you want. For those who love the time breakdown feature we introduced in 5.0.1 for tracking billables hours, we heard our feedback. You are no longer locked into fixed time period, Before you generate your breakdown, you can now pick your exact time range. Let me show you how. If you go to discover and here you go to time breakdown, now you get an ability to select today, last 24 hours, and you can also see the number of memories which are captured during all those time frame. And you can hit generate time breakdown and it will give you exactly where you spent your time with precision level logs which are scoped exactly how you need them for your billable hours. And finally, a quick but a huge win for data engineers and all our data nerds out there. Latex rendering. Mathematical expressions, ML formulas, and scientific narration now render beautifully and natively right inside your Copilot. You can go right here and see an equation which is rendered exactly how you would want it to render. No plugins needed, everything happens right in your chat. So with Pieces version 5.0.3, it is setting a standard for OS level AI memory agent from audio context to upgraded MCP agents, all available right now. Go update your app, try out LTM audio, and let me know in the comments how are you using the new custom summary templates. See you in the next one. Bye bye.